welcome back to If Only April channel. I'm April and today we're gonna be making some fall decor. I'm in my patio right now and as you can see it's raining and I'm trying to soak in the last couple of summer days. I mean, I know it doesn't really feel that like summer anymore, but still. So we're gonna be doing here outside and then we're gonna decorate my mantel to prepare it for fall. Let's do it! And this is how my mantel looks like right now. I know I never took down the Christmas lights. I mean, I guess this is time, right? And yeah, I know it already looks a little bit like fall, but you know what? We gonna make it a bit different because changes are good, right? And first project that we're gonna do, we're gonna make the fall bohemian pampas grass wreath. I mean, I really like pampas grass and I like bohemian decor, but I actually never tried to make it. So today I thought this is like a perfect chance to actually do it. So what I've got here is I got golden loop, you know, like, and if you see this macrame half moon, I already made a video on it, so you can find it. I'm gonna leave you the link below. And also I've got some beautiful florals. So I have pampas grass, which is real. This is like a real, what is that? What is it called? Corn? No, it's not corn. Wheat. Yeah, so the real wheat. And also I've got some fake stems and I think it's gonna look super cute if I'm gonna incorporate all of them into my beautiful wreath. I also got a bunch of flower wires, you know, like, and we're gonna be using that to attach the florals to the ring. Let's get started. So first let's try to arrange some of the stems, and as I like to do, we're gonna go from the largest to smallest and then we're gonna trim the ends. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna kind of arrange them like not like one on top of each other, but one and then like another one would go below and something like this. Yeah, it's just there's no really rules to it. I just feel that you like if you're gonna put the largest on the bottom, then the smallest stems, they're going to be more visible and they're going to look cuter. So it's going to go something like this. Let's assemble it. To assemble it, I'm going to use this floral wire and we're just going to tighten it. Yeah, so you're going to go with one and then you're going to, can you see it? Yeah. And then we're gonna add another one right here. So we want to create this sort of volume, right? And don't you worry about this wire being visible right now, because we're gonna trim it later and we're gonna cover it with some other things. Okay, so I think I want my half moon to be kind of off center. That would do. This is why I said that you should start from the bottom and from the largest ones, because you know, like, you don't want to kind of like cramp inside and try to put like another one from the inside. But let's see. So far it's working. Yay! Looking pretty already. Next, let's add some wheat. So we're gonna add some wheat, you know, like for the texture, and I think it's gonna look super cool. Okay, let's go ahead and cut these stems because they're kind of like getting on the way. Yay! And then we're gonna add some color. So I got these benches and these benches, and I kind of feel that this is the secret to a good looking wreath. You need to mix the real materials with some of the fake materials. To be honest, I'm not a big fan, not like too big of a fan of the fake flowers, but when I saw this, I was like, oh my god, they would be perfect. And I wouldn't even have to worry that they're gonna fall or they're gonna, yeah, start chipping or whatever. And yeah, so what we're gonna do, we're just gonna disassemble this bouquet and we're gonna attach it just a little bit. I would say we're gonna put it like this maybe, and maybe, not maybe, but definitely. Ooh, yes, we're gonna add a little bit of those. Yay! Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna connect all three of them just like this, and after that, we're gonna connect it to the whole thing. And once again, you don't have to have this beautiful macrame moon. I just like felt that if I used it already once, I definitely should reuse it for something else, right? Good crafts shouldn't go to waste. That's my motto. Okay, so if I'm gonna put like a bit of pampas over here to cover all of this, I kind of feel it's gonna look a bit unfinished. So instead, I have two options. To put this branch of eucalyptus with the pumpkin is gonna be one, or to put 3 of them over here. And you know what? I think I kind of like the 3 pumpkins option so much better. And can I tell you something? I've never bought like fake pumpkins before, but this year I was struggling because I need to make my fall content, and I went around and no one sells pumpkins yet. And I was like, what I'm supposed to do as a content creator? So I did an investment and I invested into my little pumpkins. So this is what we're gonna be doing. I'm just gonna wrap them around. Ooh, that's gonna look so pretty. Yes, oh my God, I already see potential. And this one. Wow, this looks gorgeous. Gorgeous, let's put it up. Okay, so the key here and the secret is kind of like going in one direction, I guess. Okay, so I'm not really convinced about what's gonna happen with this vase, but I'm gonna let it dry and then we'll see. So as you can see, so the macrame half moon circle, you know, like it was like kind of fallen off a little bit, so because it was not very balanced because of this imbalanced sort of wreath. So what I did, I put like a fishernet thing thing over here, so it's like clear and you cannot see it, and it's kind of like holds the macrame together. So since I have this plug, you know, like this TV plug over here, you know, I always have to some sort of cover it with books. So that's why I have to make this side a bit like taller than the other, or like balance it symmetrically, you know, like so that both are taller. So this is why I'm gonna be using books, and we're gonna prep it up, and yeah, we're gonna use the vase with this beautiful pumpkin arrangement, pumpkin and coordinating yellow flowers. And as I told you before, I kind of feel that the secret here is to use always use fall flowers, and also like use some sort of dry real flowers, and this way it's gonna look more natural and it's gonna look more pretty. So over here in this corner we're gonna put our dirt vase, I mean the mud vase, which I'm not like 100% sure about, so I'm still waiting for it to dry. I really hope that it's gonna look lovely, and if it's not, then well, we can only say bye-bye and let it go. So I'm gonna put it over here to kind of balance out the tall vase over there, and I already arranged it with some weeds and with some, so yeah, so coordinating weeds, and yeah, I think it looks lovely. Since the vase didn't dry yet completely and fully, I'm using a little napkin here so it doesn't get like dirt all over the place. Yay, a bit of orangey. Okay, now we need to fix the middle. And I kind of feel that books is such a fun way to elevate a little bit the surface and make it uneven, because if it's all on the same level, I don't think it's texturally pretty. But we'll see what's gonna happen with this. Okay. So the next piece of the mantel is gonna be this cool farmhouse style box. You know, like it actually was from the cheese. It's old, very cute. I found it in the Mulgars market and I actually made a video about when I found it and yeah, how much fun it was. So yeah, you can check that out and let's decorate it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I gave you some inspiration how to decorate your fall mantel this season. And yes, I'm wishing you a great September and yeah, have a lovely time. I'll see you next week. Bye!